Looking to post a carousel on LinkedIn, but not sure how? Don't worry, I've got you covered. To start, your carousel must be in PDF format. If you're creating it on Canva, download your design as a PDF standard. This is the best format for LinkedIn and ensures everything looks professional. Once you've got your PDF ready, open your LinkedIn account and go to your homepage. Click on Create a Post, then click the three dots and select Add a Document. Choose your PDF file. In my case, I'm using a sample file, and add a title for your document, for example, sample. Once you're done, click on Done, write a caption to explain your carousel, and hit Post. And that's it. Your carousel is now live on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please like, and for more tech videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Catch you later.